how much do you pay from Burundi to here?
Maybe 4 million.
4 million.
Yes.
Burundi.
Yeah.
It's what of? But what do you think to stay here in South Africa and Congo? Which country do you prefer to stay forever?
Congo is my country.
Yeah.
I want to stay in my country.
But you know. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I wanna meet one of my brother from Burundi. He's working here in Cape Town, so just wanna chill with him, you know, as like a teenager. We like to make content like this. So if you like my video, please make sure subscribe to this YouTube channel. Then we just wanna chill asking him how he survived here in Cape Town, because he just work as like a car guard, so something like that. So yeah, let's go. Then you're gonna see my brother how he's doing. Hey, how are you, mate?
Go right there.
Yeah, I must put the mic up there so that.
Yeah.
Hey, what's your name, bro?
My name is Joshua.
Where are you from?
From Burundi.
From Burundi.
Yeah.
Sorry, where you stay here in Cape Town exactly?
Pomeran.
Pomeran. Which side is that?
Which side? Loader 5.
Oh, okay, 5. So you working here?
Yeah, working here.
You work here every day?
Not every day.
Yeah.
It depends on me. I work in just 5 days.
Oh,
in the
just
week.
5 days in the work.
In the week.
Oh, you have a permanent job somewhere?
No.
It's just this work.
Yes, how it is. Yeah, 2 days I'm off.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
so
That's cool. That's cool. So, but how do you survive here in South Africa as like a foreigner? Maybe you don't get enough money. How do you survive?
Yeah.
I know. Can you explain to us?
Oh my God! You see, the best thing.
Yeah. Talk to us. Okay, I can ask you the quick question. When did you come in this country?
No, I spent here 4 months.
4 months. So
Yeah.
you are new.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's good.
I'm
Also,
new.
me, I'm from Malawi, but I came in this country. 2017, I was in this country. My brother, don't make noise. Record this thing that is gonna make the people to watch, so it's gonna be interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm very proud of you.
Yeah.
But how much do you pay from Burundi to here?
Maybe 4 million.
4 million.
Yes.
Burundi.
Yeah.
It's what of man do you use in Burundi?
Francs.
French.
Yeah, it's
4
French.
million French.
Yeah,
That's a lot
so
of money. You can
Burundi
do
francs.
something there. You can buy even a cattle. You can buy a cattle.
But yeah, you can do it.
Are you married? Yeah, my brother. What's your name first?
My name is Madoshi.
Yeah, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Congo.
Congo, DRC.
Yeah, Congo.
But
Yes.
I get confused because Congo, I think there's two countries. There's another, they said Congo what?
Yeah, it's Congo Brazzaville and Congo DRC.
Yes. So which side they always like a war? What too much war? Which Congo is that?
You see, our Congo.
You're our
Yes,
Congo.
yeah.
But do you know Congo is I can say is very rich country in Africa
Yeah, it's very easy.
because they have a lot of mine diamonds there in Congo. Do you know that?
Yes, I know that.
Those guys, they're fighting M23 because of those mines.
Yeah, it's about that.
Yeah, but when did you come in this country, South Africa?
Yeah, we already 1 year here.
1 year now. Because me, I have been here almost 2017. I have been here since 2017.
Oh.
I can say I got 6-7 years like that.
Yeah, me, I'm still new here. I'm still new.
Yeah, but you are still new.
Yeah.
But what do you think to stay here in South Africa and Congo? Which country do you prefer to stay forever?
Congo is my country.
Yeah.
I want to stay in my country.
But you know Congo, yeah, it's good to stay in your country, but in Congo too much war, fighting too much. What do you think about it?
It's fighting about mineral, you see.
Yeah. But
because we have too much mineral in my country.
Yeah, but your place is quiet that side.
Which place?
Where you came from, to your village?
My province is quiet, but
It's quiet.
East is not quiet.
Yeah, but if you make a little bit money here in South Africa, you're gonna go back home.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go, yeah, sure.
Oh, same like me as well. Because me, if I make a man in South Africa, I'm going back to Malawi. I don't want to stay here because here in South Africa, you see, there's too much crime here, shooting each other, stabbing each other. It's not a nice here to say the fact.
Yeah, it's not nice.
It's not nice. So it's better we must go. When we make money, let's go back to our country.
Yeah, we come just here because my country is fighting.
Yes,
so
yes.
But we come here.
So when you left in this country, what business are you gonna do at your home there?
There. I have a lot of business I'm gonna do there.
Yeah,
I have a lot of that.
but me, I prefer must do farming. You know farming. Farming for keeping like a cattle, chickens.
Okay.
Yeah, that one is good. You can make a lot of money with it.
That one is good.
Yeah, so there's different business you can do in Congo, because to say the fact, there's also some stones there, nice stones.
Yeah.
There's nice minerals there. If you have money, you can have access to buy the stones and selling. Like here in South Africa, there's a lot of company that they need the stones here.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm really appreciate my brother to chill with you. Then I hope next time I'll come back for you. We're gonna chill nice,
Thank
because
you,
this is
man.
our first day, baby. Sharp, I appreciate
Thank you,
man. Sharp. Next time, don't worry, stay tuned. We're gonna come back chilling with him here. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the